How to create a game with Unreal Engine from scratch. Developing a game with Unreal Engine from scratch is a complex process that requires significant time, effort, and expertise. Here are some general steps to follow. Plan your game. Determine the type of game you want to create, including the genre, gameplay mechanics, and story. Make a game design document outlining all of the details. Install Unreal Engine. Download and install the latest version of Unreal Engine from the official website. Set up the project. Open Unreal Engine and create a new project. Choose the appropriate settings for your game, such as the target platform and graphical settings. Create assets. Develop your game's assets, including the environment, characters, and items. Use 3D modeling software or find pre-made assets from the Unreal Engine marketplace. Add functionality. Use Unreal Engine's Blueprints visual scripting system to add gameplay mechanics, user interface elements, and other features. Test your game. Playtest your game to ensure that it works as intended and doesn't have any bugs or glitches. Launch your game. Once you're satisfied with your game, you can launch it to the appropriate platforms, such as Steam or the App Store. While developing an Unreal Engine game on your own can be difficult, there are game development companies like Bytfield that specialize in Unreal Engine game development.